Introducing the 2012 Audi A4. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 40,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Audi infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, power front seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, and air conditioning. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Audi's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 300+ point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.